Hello everyone, we are from Group 3 and we will explain and benchmark about responsiveness and efficiency of a supply chain in a company. We have chosen 3 companies to benchmark, which are Sari Roti, IKEA and Alfamart, to show how they build their supply chain management in a responsive or efficient manner. To begin with our explanation and benchmark, we will start with Sari Roti and its unique responsive supply chain.
Sari Roti Responsive Supply Chain. Sari Roti is the most famous bread brand in Indonesia, which is well known for their responsive supply chain. They have a diverse product variations with good quality and no preservatives. Their SCM process starts from procurement and manufacturing until distribution, yet they have a great supply chain responsiveness. That's because of their high responsive production and distribution that's being done almost every day. When Sari Roti raw materials have arrived in the factories, they will be processed based on the ISO and QC standards, and then used for immediate production, while some will be stored in a warehouse as reserve. Sari Roti produces 2 million bread a day, and their production is being done with the basis of speed and efficiency through placing production machines next to each other and using just-in-time system to save time, cost, and ensure high responsiveness. Then, they distribute their fresh products immediately to the retailers and wholesalers using GIT system and schedule delivery to increase responsiveness and customers' accessibility, although they didn't put too much stocks to avoid losses by expiration. Overall, it can be seen that Sari Roti supply chain prefers to be responsive, whereas they always try to bring fresh quality bread to the customers every day using the help of GIT and distribution that minimize cost and retain supply chain responsiveness.
IKEA Indonesia and International Efficient Supply Chain. IKEA is a Swedish-based multinational company which is well known for their efficient supply chain and affordable ready-to-assemble furniture and home appliances. Their supply chain management process is based on the worldwide standards and procedures, with some minor regional adjustments, yet they're still one of the most efficient companies in terms of its supply chain. IKEA uses the push view in their production and distribution. They utilize the maximum minimum settings and high flow low flow usage. This helps them in anticipating demand uncertainty and increases efficiency, and at the same time reduces cost. The maximum minimum settings is an inventory replenishment management system, which is implemented by IKEA to efficiently respond to the store inventory level using the reorder point. Minimum refers to the minimum amount of products that's available before reordering, while maximum refers to the maximum amount to order. By utilizing this, IKEA is able to efficiently meet the customer demand and at the same time promote efficiency. As for the high flow and low flow usage, it refers to the responsiveness of moving products from warehouse to the store. In high flow, products usually have high demand and are placed at the nearest possible place so that it could reduce the cost per touch and increases sales and boost efficiency. As for the low flow, it's run manually since the products have low demand and aren't frequently moved. By implementing this system, IKEA is able to maximize their inventory yield and help their product placement by demand level so that it saves costs and efficiency. Overall, these practices are interlinked to each other and helps IKEA in achieving their supply chain efficiency.
Alfamart is one of the biggest mini-market business in Indonesia that has 14,310 outlets across Indonesia, which makes them can be easily found anywhere and shows that they have responsive yet efficient supply chain. They provide many affordable daily needs with high accessibility that meets with customer needs and convenience. Their SCM process starts from procurement until distribution. They have a great supply chain responsiveness and efficiency because of their really responsive yet efficient distribution. In distributing products to their stores, Alfamart requests supplies first to the suppliers such as Unilever, then the supplier will deliver products to Alfamart distribution centers where some quality control will be done. Alfamart use distribution centers instead of direct supply because of their huge number of stores. They have 15 DCs or distribution centers and still expanding to increase their scope, whereas they are operated with the basis of distribution responsiveness and efficiency. Products from DCs will be delivered to Alfamart outlets across Indonesia until it fulfilled customer hands and daily needs through responsive yet efficient supply chain, especially in terms of product stocks and offers. Currently, Alfamart is modernizing their inventory control system and also using intensive delivery monitoring and cluster store strategy to improve and increase distribution responsiveness and efficiency of every stores in fulfilling customer daily needs. Overall, Alfamart supply chain is balancedly responsive yet efficient, which is really good since they could easily fulfill customer daily needs anytime and anywhere in Indonesia at an affordable price and high responsiveness of product stocks and offers.
When benchmarked, it can be seen that Roti has the highest position in responsive supply chain, followed by Alfamart, then IKEA, although they have good indirect responsiveness. Meanwhile, in terms of efficient supply chain, IKEA has the highest efficiency, followed by Alfamart, then Roti.
However, in terms of balanced supply chain, Alfamart supply chain is the most balanced by using DCs that ensures the stock readiness and responsiveness directly and indirectly through providing efficient product stock and varieties. IKEA is in the second position with good inventory management and efficiency that creates a good indirect responsiveness in supply chain. Regardless, Rasari Roti is in the third position since their supply chain responsiveness aren't really balanced with their efficiency, but they have a good rapidness. At last but not least, in terms of cost, Alfamart and IKEA has the highest position in cost because of their inventory cost, while Sari Roti has the lowest cost for being the most responsive without much inventory cost. Overall, each of these companies has its own advantage and specialty in their supply chain efficiency or responsiveness. And through this benchmark, they can learn from each other to improve their supply chain. I guess that is all from us. The end of our benchmarking video. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.